Hi, and welcome to the Sunbird's Patterns section video. The Patterns works alongside the song builder to make it even easier to play your songs. It basically plays the right hand for you, and it will follow any chord you play and at the tempo of your song. There is a list of around 70 patterns that you can choose from and assign to any of the 13 triggers. To do so, just select one of the triggers and then use the pattern list to assign the chord to that key. This pattern can be modified in real time using a few parameters. First, the lettering will ignore all of the note offs included in the pattern and allow you to decide when you want the pattern to stop and play mute strums. A pattern may be good, but what if you want to play it quietly, more or less precisely, or with a little groove? You can do that here. We also added the possibility to play latch, meaning that if you start the pattern by pressing a key, it will play it until you press the same key again. The average velocity is already assigned to the mod wheel and can help you follow the crescendos in a song. You can of course change the length of it, as well as the speed, and make it play, for example, 2 times faster or 2 times slower. The bar sync will wait until the next beat to start playing, and make sure your playing is always on time. On top of this, we thought that whatever list of patterns we could come up with, there would never be enough. So we created the pattern editor. Creating a pattern is very easy and works like a step sequencer. Each fret represents a step in which you can add a button for each string and choose its velocity. When you start playing, if a button is on that step, then it would play the string of the selected chord. And if there are multiple buttons on the same step, then it will strum the chord following the up and down directions indicated by the arrow. So here is an example. To make it easy to insert strums, we link the 6 strings by default. But you can of course unlink the strings and edit each string as you want to make variations. We also added the mute button for each step to allow for a mute strum, and the stop buttons will release the chord at the end of that step. The humanize and shuffle are the same as in the patterns panel, They will let you test your pattern with the right groove in it. The strum speed is a little different, and whatever speed you enter will be kept in the pattern. Of course, the pattern can have an infinite length, and you can create as many pages as you want. If, for example, you want to repeat the same pattern you created, but add a simple variation, then just copy it, create another page, and then paste it and make your modifications. You can even mute the events of one string altogether by clicking on the speaker to the left of the editor. Once all this is done, you can test the pattern in real time by using the play button. And then you can add it to the pattern list and use it from the pattern panel. We also thought that it could be cool to be able to save your patterns and share it with others. You can load the factory presets or your own patterns and then send it to anybody that has the Sunbird library. We also plan on updating the GD6 acoustic guitar library with the same script, and the patterns will be compatible. At the time you watch this video, the GD6 acoustic guitar might have been updated already. Okay, that's it for the patterns. You can get the Sunbird library at acousticsamples.net. Thank you for watching.